Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
What's it? What? Where am I?
Budgie woke up with a start to find himself out in the open on a cold, cold winter's day. Then he remembered why.
Oh, of course.
The night before, he'd run out of fuel after taking Mrs. Fairweather to hospital through a storm so that she could have her baby.
Phew. Made it. I had to land on this playing field. Here. Wait a minute. You don't slide on a playing field. Rocketing rotors. It's a frozen lake. Cool. I hope they get some fuel to me before it melts.
No, Chuck, you jolly well cannot fly the fuel out to Budgie, as well as taking food supplies to the army camp.
Ah, come on, Captain. I could do both these jobs with my eyes closed.
The way you'd do them, Chuck, it would look as if you'd had your eyes closed.
What?
The soldiers would have to eat helicopter fuel, and Budgie would be trying to fly on oven-ready chips.
Aw, Captain.
Pippa will take Budgie's fuel,
Oh, great!
but you'll have to watch out for snow and ice, Pippa.
Is the fuel ready? 'Cause I am.
Snow and ice, Pippa, are you listening?
Oh, yes, Lionel. Of course. I'll go and get loaded up. Whee!
Whee! Up there, look out! Lucy! Ow!
Lucy, you're so clumsy.
Sorry, Ben.
Hey, Lucy, look over there. It's Budgie.
Budgie? It can't be Budgie. Hey, yes it is.
We'd better tell Auntie Catherine. Come on.
Auntie Catherine!
Auntie Catherine!
Pippa to Lionel. Pippa to Lionel. Over.
Come in, Pippa, over.
I'm right near Budgie's landing place, Lionel, so I'll be landing any minute now.
Make sure it's safe, Pippa.
It is safe, Lionel. It's absolutely flat and smooth as anything.
Oh, all right. Happy landings, then. Over and out.
It's the little helicopter from Harefield.
Well, what's it doing here?
We don't know, Auntie.
Well, I was going to dish out some nice hot cocoa, but perhaps we better go and investigate.
Yeah.
Oh, let's. Hey, another plane.
Yeah.
This place is getting like Heathrow.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a single-engine plane. It's one of those... Gosh, it's Pippa.
Hello. Another aircraft. Wow, it's Pippa. She's not going to try to... Budgie to Pippa. Budgie to Pippa. Over.
Pippa to Budgie. Hello, Budgie. I've got your fuel. Over.
Pippa, you can't land here.
Oh, can't I? You just watch me.
No, I mean, it isn't a field, it's a...
Whoa!
Budgie to Pippa, are you all right?
Yes, but I'm stuck.
Oh, terrific.
Wow.
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Come on. Come on, Ben.
hello. It's Ben and Lucy from the airfield. I wonder what they're doing here.
Gosh, she's stuck right up to the wings.
Yeah.
Ben, what are you doing?
Yes. What are you doing? I don't think you should be down there.
The luggage doors come open. There's some cans in there.
So?
They're cans of fuel.
Oh, goodness, be careful, Ben.
But they've got labels on them. They say Budgie.
Of course.
What?
That's why Budgie's here. He's run out of fuel.
I bet you're right, Lucy. Ben,
Yes?
is there anything like a pump in there?
I'll have a look.
Your Uncle Matthew used to have a pump thing for refuelling his motorboat.
Yes.
Ah, now we're in business.
I'm all right. But I'm stuck in a snowdrift.
Lionel to Pippa, no bally good old thing. Radio signals unreadable. Sound as if you're stuck in a snowdrift. Over and out.
Should've let me go, Captain.
And for the 14th time today, it is not Captain.
Oh, okay, Lionel. Gee.
That's it, Lucy. The can's empty.
Thank goodness.
Is that it?
Yes, that's the lot.
Oh, good. There, right. Well, that should get your little helicopter back home.
Great.
As long as he can start. We better get a bit further away.
Whoa, I feel better for that. Right, here we go. Ah, great. Hooray! Eh? Oh, no. Now what?
Oh, dear.
There's something wrong.
I know. It's the ice. Budgie's rotors are frozen up.
Oh, well, there's not much we can do about that, then.
No. Yes!
What?
The cocoa.
Cocoa?
We can pour our hot drinks on his rotors.
My hot cocoa?
Oh, Auntie Catherine.
Can we?
Well, it's your loss if it doesn't work. Go and get the flasks.
Hooray!
Cocoa? I wonder if I like it. Budgie to Pippa. What's cocoa like?
Pippa to Budgie. I haven't the foggiest idea.
No idea what you said, Pippa. But now's my chance to get the answer.
Keep it steady, Ben.
I'm trying.
Better be quick before his main rotor freezes up again.
Here we go. Right, quick!
Hooray! Well done, both of you.
Well, Captain, Lionel, I guess that's it.
What's what, Chuck?
That's two good buddies gone for good.
Eh? What?
Budgie and Pippa, gone, lost in the snow. I knew you should have sent me.
Absolute bally piffle.
So where are they? So why no message? They're gone,
Budgie to Lionel. Budgie to Lionel.
Ha! Absolute piffle.
I've been frozen up, Lionel. But I'm fine now. Over.
Good show, Budgie. What about Pippa? Over?
She's been stuck in a snowdrift. I'm just going to tow her out.
Wizard show, Budgie. Good towing. Over and out.
Right, Pippa. Here we go.
I can't wait. Lead the way, Budgie.
Oh, I hope it's going to work.
Of course it's going to work. Come on, Budgie!
Oh, I'm out.
He's done it!
Good old Budgie.
Hooray!
Lionel to Budgie. No, I haven't any jobs for you today. Too many airfields snowed up. Come back to base in your own time, all right? Over.
Thanks, Lionel. On our way. Over and out.
Hey, Budgie.
What?
What's going on down there?
Oh, they're skiing. Let's take a look. There's a really steep path down this hill, Pippa.
Pippa to Budgie. That's the ski run.
What's a ski row? Ah!
Oh, Budgie.
Hey, look at that!
is the fastest run of the day by a clear second and a half. And the Ellesmere Cup for the Downhill Racer of the Year goes to Budgie!
So you've had a jolly exciting couple of days. Back to work tomorrow, though, eh? All right.
Yes, but it's been great, Lionel. Hasn't it, Budgie? Budgie? Oh, Budgie.